If you are looking for a regular e-bike, you ain't gonna find it here. If you are looking for adrenaline, passion, adventure, you are in the right place. Riding a cross motorbike is a huge passion of my life. I've been riding for years and I can't imagine stronger and more effective therapy for everyday hardships. Hello, my name is Maciej Nowak and we are in a place where I designed and built a prototype for fulfilling my dreams. For many years, the cross motorcycle met all my expectations and I was not aware of its limitations. Along with access to electricity storage technology and electric motor power, electric bicycles became more and more available. Unfortunately, their power and range could not be compared with traditional motorcycles or were beyond my financial reach. Until now. Full power available from the first second. Torque that meets the needs of the most experienced motocross fans. Adrenaline, speed, courage, emotion, passion, adventure, freedom. You don't have to be a professional to feel it. The most powerful therapy for everyday stress is no longer reserved for the few. Light aluminium frame, no gearbox, no drivetrain, no countless fluids. Simple, almost failure-free design and something more. From today, power and range no longer limit us. We have not only equaled these values, but we have a great advantage. No matter where you are, you can replace your bicycle pedal set with motorcycle fit in minutes. No limits, no boundaries. Way of life of those for whom average is not enough. Just 3 years ago, I was falling asleep with a dream. I dreamed of emotions, fulfillment, and a community of good souls which, like me, have heat and passion in their hearts, but also awareness and responsibility. It would not have been possible without the help of my father and many good souls. If you believe that our future is in the hands of new technologies, renewable energies, and you see this passion in my eyes, help me make dreams come true, and together we can change the world for the better. I have many ideas in my head. I can make them only with you. Send it to friends and family. Support our crowdfunding campaign. Thank you in advance.